When you buy crypto, there's one question that decides how safe it really is. Who's actually holding the keys, you or someone else? That simple question is called custody. And understanding it is the single most important safety habit in crypto. When you buy crypto on an exchange and leave it there, the exchange holds it for you. That's custodial. It's convenient, but you're trusting a company to keep your coins safe, the same way you trust a bank. Self-custody means you hold your crypto yourself, with no company in between. Nobody can freeze it, and nobody can lose it in a hack of their systems. But that control comes with full responsibility. Here's what makes self-custody possible: a private key. Think of it as a password that proves the crypto is yours, only stronger. It's usually saved as a set of words called a seed phrase, in a specific order. Whoever holds that seed phrase controls the crypto. It's not the app, and it's not the wallet company. Essentially, it's whoever has those words. That seed phrase lives inside something called a wallet. A hot wallet is an app on your phone or computer, easy to use, always connected to the internet. A hardware wallet is a small physical device that keeps your keys offline, away from anything a hacker could reach remotely. A simple way to picture it: a hot wallet is like keeping cash in your pocket, useful for everyday spending. A hardware wallet is like a safe at home, better for anything you plan to hold on to. Self-custody isn't about doing everything yourself with no help. It's about knowing where your keys are and who can access them. If you want the full walkthrough, including how to back up a seed phrase safely and spot the scams that try to trick you into signing away your funds, we've put together a complete checklist. You'll find the link in the description.